Peas Patrol here, and if you have a young athlete at home training to be in the Olympics, here's what you need to know about sudden cardiac death. So you'll hear a lot of reports on the news, especially during sporting events like the Olympics or Stanley Cup or Grey Cup. These athletes will suddenly collapse with no notice whatsoever. They have been otherwise healthy, they passed all their health checks, and unfortunately, they may succumb to the illness. In these situations, it's usually due to the heart not beating properly. Unfortunately, there's no test for it, so it's really hard to tell whether or not these athletes have any pre-existing heart conditions. And often, if you recognize it too late, it may be hard to resuscitate them with adequate CPR. Many countries have different regulations on whether or not they should be screening all young athletes for heart disease. In the United States, for example, there may be some programs for pre-sport participation surveys and assessments. And even those assessments may not be able to accurately predict whether or not a person is at risk of sudden cardiac death.